Hi everyone. Today we are talking about the concept called tech debt in Salesforce. So firstly, what is tech debt? Technical debt is a concept in software development that reflects the cost of additional rework caused by choosing an easy solution now instead of using a better approach that would take longer. The client requirement is to migrating the workflow and process builder to Flow because of Salesforce announced that it would end the workflow process builder support in after 2025. So to achieve this requirement, first we need to review the active workflow on the contact object and create a sheet for active workflow. So there are 4 workflows for contact object in the org, and we create sheet for this workflow as this: API rule name, rule criteria, evaluation criteria, workflow action, target object, action type, target field, field data type, and comments. Now, just like workflow, we also did the same for the process builder. So there is only one process builder on the contact object. So we create a sheet for process builder as well. Now we have to create a flow conversion sheet to group the before and after flows. Now we have a workflow that only runs when a record is created. The flow for this requirement is called contact before insert, just like this flow. All the before insert flows are made in this flow. We did not need DML operation in before flows. We just assign the fields like this. After that, to test this flow, we can either create a manual record or use this view tests and just run this to see our flow is working fine or not. Similarly, we have one more flow that runs when owner ID is changed. Change is a function that runs only when a record is updated. So for this, the flow we made is called contact before update, just like this. And all the update workflows are made in this flow. This is called as contact before update. After that, we have a workflow that runs on both conditions, is new or is changed. But again, it just updates the field on the cell. For this, we made the flow called contact before insert update because it has both operations, is new and is changed. Now it's time for the after flows. There is a flow that runs on both insert and update, and which includes email alert. And the email alert is always run on action related flow. And after the email alert, it also updates the field. So for this requirement, we create contact after insert update. We need to create the subflow called contact email, where all the email actions are made. And for DML, also we have created one subflow for DML operations. This is called contact insert update records. And the main flow is called contact after insert update. Our last requirement is that we have the process builder with a scheduled path that sends an email alert after 5 days. For this, we need to create the flow called contact as sync scheduled and call the subflow for email alert. This is the flow name, contact as sync scheduled, and it calls the subflow with given parameters. So these are the solutions for migrating the workflow and process builder to flow with the standard that to be reusable and easy to understand. Thank you.